Hey guys, how are you all today? I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to do the unboxing of tower fan, and this is from the Anko company. And since it is a tower fan, it needless to say it is a bladeless fan. It's 102 centimeter tall, so it's close to 3.5 foot tall. So whether you are sitting on a chair or lying on a bed, it doesn't matter. It would serve you well. It will show you the indoor temperature, that is one good thing. And the second is that it has the oscillating feature. Let's do the quick unboxing. And it has a small remote that needs to AAA battery, although the fan controls are there on the top of the fan as well. It has four buttons on top of the fan. One is for power on off, another one is to control the speed. There are three speeds that you can set. One is for timer and the other is for oscillation. The fan makes a little bit of annoying noise when it is on the speed level 1, but it is perfectly okay in the speed level 2 and 3. In my observation, the fan was capable enough to cover a 4 meter by 4 meter room, and wherever you sit, you will feel the cool air. So that's what I felt. And the good thing is that it doesn't take so much space like the traditional pedestal fan used to take. The price of the fan in the local shop was 70 Australian dollars, so I felt it is a good one considering its price. But a little bit of noise in the lower speed level might be annoying to many persons. That's what from my end, guys. Just let me know in the comment section what you like about the fan and if you have any comments or any feedback. Thank you for now. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.